Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite members to a workspace in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages, and teammates. From here we just swipe to the right and then select the workspace that we want to invite people to, and then next to it we have three dots. We tap on those and then tap on invite members in the pop-up, and now we have three options. We can either share a link so people can join the workspace by tapping the link, or we can add from contacts or by email. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.